Hi. Oh my god, Saravi's back. I thought you were going to sleep. Also, this is a I guess part 2 stream because I had to turn it off and turn it back on again. What was it, like 5 minutes? No. Oh my god. Well, welcome back to you too. I hope you had a wonderful nap. We were being dumb. Weird dream. Did you dream about this project that I'm working on? It's been an hour. Oh, that's a pretty decent nap. Oh, it's been fun. Oh no, my camera. Oh, why? Woe is me. Come on, camera, wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Hmm. I wonder if I can wake it up this way. Voice and video. Test video. Camera on. Camera off. Huh. I think this. You didn't wake it up before you. Yeah. When I turn on OBS prior to streaming at all, it was doing this as well, where it's just like, no, no lights, no nothing. I was able to access the camera by going into Discord voice and video and just being like, test camera, can I see? It's there, alright. How do I get you to work? Okay. Or turning it off and turning it back on again also works. I went and did the camera properties and OBS froze. Whatever. It's good now. Thanks for your patience, everybody. I feel like this is almost a good time for intermission or something. Yeah, it fixes. It fixes for sure. My dog was poking me. I wonder if she needs to go out. I need to hydrate. I need to hydrate. You're right. I'm out. It's at the end. Okay, that's what I'll do then. I'll refill this and I'll let Cora outside. What's going on? What's good, Phantom? It's good to hear from you. Oh my gosh, it's so late. I can't believe school's out already. Um, you know what? I was just about to BRB, but we can chat in a minute. I have to let my dog outside. Maybe like 2 minutes. I'll be right back. I hope you're having a good day, though. Happy Wednesday? Be right back. Cora's so cute. You wouldn't believe this. I've been it's been muddy, so I make her hang out at the doorway, and then I'll get like a rag and wipe the mud off of her feet and out of her toes, and then say like, okay, you can come in now. And it's so cute. Um I this time I let the door open so she could like just walk around whenever, but I knew I had to go close the door after running around getting the water and all that. So I put her out with the door hanging open, ran around and did all this stuff, and then when I came back to close the door, I figured she would have just come in, but she was waiting there for me to wipe off her feet. Oh my god, she's the cutest dog ever. She's so smart. Like, she knows the routine, and I think that's really cool. I wonder if there's any DMCA free music that isn't slow and boring. Let's try this. You get, yeah, you have pretzel, and then it says on stream, like, and in chat where it is. Isn't that like a Twitch add-on or something? I saw you using that. That was cool. Hey, Starfox. How you doing? Happy Wednesday. I'm still here. I've been here the whole time, but my internet connection's a little weak. I don't think so. I changed when you were here. Well, I had this hoodie on, and then I got warm. Maybe that's what you mean? Yeah, dude, Zarknor's been hard carrying the stream and me and my sanity. It's been really exciting. Dude, you guys are great. Yeah, Zarknor's a real MVP here. That's why you guys have the VIP status. You are important people in this place. Oh, you're at work now. I probably have to go soon. I want to get as much code done as I can, though. What? Everyone has an ego. What do you mean? Ego? I used to. I used to love them when I was a kid. I was obsessed. A lot of lucky guesses? Yeah, okay. You're not like an expert on all this stuff or anything. You're just totally guessing. Makes sense. Whatever you say, Zarknor. I mean, he can be lucky too, but that's just not the case right now. You know? Puppy! Oh, she just wants to play now. Oh, is Phantom still here? I wonder if Phantom's already doing work or gaming. I meant to say hello, but I had to run away. Whoops. He is. Zarkner, would you consider yourself like a moderate soul? Like keeping everyone here? Oh, hey Phantom, you are still here. Oh my god, hi. What's going on, buddy? Oh, hi doggo. She really wants to play. So badly. Cora. Oh my god, it's January. You're right. Midterm exams. I was hoping that they would cancel them. Man, they keep saying, oh, we're gonna have midterms. Oh, let's cancel them. Oh, let's add them back in. I hope you studied. Playing with the dog behind me. Hi, babe. Grr, 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 grr. This is her favorite toy. It is a toilet paper roll. No joke. She loves these. I think for her, it's like getting a new toy is like the coolest thing. When we give her something she didn't have before, she's like, oh my god, for me! And gets all waggy and jumpy and happy. And it's so funny because like however often you get a new one of these because you empty the toilet paper. And she's like, oh my god! Every time. Every time. It is the simplest joy. And she shreds it up for a little bit and then we throw it out. We put it in recycling. Yeah. You don't think you're gonna do well? Is there anything I can do to help you prepare? Did they tell you what's gonna be on it? I can tell you what's gonna be on it. And like not in a cheating sense, because I made them. Unless they're using ones that are new. I literally made them myself. I can give you like the study guides and stuff. Did the new madame give you a textbook, or are you still just doing stuff in class? 16 months! Damn, merely? That's like a whole 16 months. Merely, thank you for the 16-month subscription. Alright, no textbook. Okay. Okay, because I was gonna say if you have the textbook, you could probably borrow one and like sign it out. If that's an interest of yours. Like if you really want to push for this exam. I would recommend you try your hardest. I know like the class is not really super fun for you anymore, but it's still technically a high school class, so there is a reason why you still should try your best, and that's because it's a high school class. And what that means is the grade you get in your French 1 at the middle school counts as a high school thing. And the only reason why anyone cares if it's a high school class or not is like if you try to get a job later, or if you try to go to like a college or university or like a trade program, companies and schools tend to look at how your grades were, and it counts on something called your GPA, which middle school doesn't have a GPA. It's your average of all your grades. So even though like maybe French isn't super much of an interest anymore, if you just survive through this year, that's the goal. Survive. Get the best grades you can. Try to learn as much as you can. So that way, when people look at your grades for your high school classes, they'll be like, dang, this kid doesn't even speak French and he got a good grade in French class? All right. Like, he knows how to work hard. I'll hire him. Or he knows how to work hard. Like, we'll accept him into our school, like for college or something, or training program or whatever. So, yeah, I know. I'm just saying, try not to bomb it. Like, you want to still pass. You have to pass. That's the goal. If you are having trouble passing, I can help you out. Just message me in Discord. You're Brandon! Yo, what's with the sound alerts? Come on! I saw the emote explosion though. Oh my god! Oh my god! Big gaming today! Holy shit! Merely gifted to Derp Striker? Oh my goodness! Name change, by the way, Brandon, I got you. It was instant understanding. Because it's a real name now. I like it. I like it. That makes it easier. What were you, Logic? Yeah, you were Logic. Mm-hmm. Thank you for gifting to Setsu. He needs it. Mr. Mod needs it. Logic was from COD. Ryan's here. Yo, everyone's here. Hype train. Oh my god, almost. I've never actually done one of those, but I'm not saying that to incite you guys. Just saying. I had them turned off, so I've never actually done one before. Wait a minute, I'm helping my student. You guys are distracting me. Wait a minute. Phantom's gotta pass the midterms. He can do it. I know he can. He was good at class when I was his teacher. He can be good at class when I'm not his teacher too. Oh, Zarknor with the 100 bits! Hype train incoming! Yes! This is my first ever hype train. Let's go. That's so cool. What does a hype train do? What happens now? Choo choo! We on the hype train. I don't even care if nothing happens. This is a day to remember. It's the first ever Derp Chat hype train. Hell yeah. Thank you, Zarknor, for the 100 bits. You made it happen. And Brandon and Merely. Oh my goodness. And Owlcard. Wow, everyone's been here today. Woo! Setsu! Thank you. Ryan, enjoy your homemade emotes. Hope everyone loves the emotes now, because they're so bad. Yes! Let's go! Where is the train going? In circles. It's lit. You know, I was so kind of feeling bad about my emote life, but it's nice to see like Setsu's emotes and my emotes. I want to make more. They're so clowny, but I do want to make more. All right. My drive, learning materials. Phantom's still waiting on what the hell's on the midterm. Hang on. Bien dit. That's the name of our program. Oh my lord! Whoa! Dude, we're level 2 hype train? Merely with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700 biddies. Thank you, Merely. And Star Fox for a year! I thought it said 1 month streak, and I read 1 month stake, and I was just like, congrats on your 1 year or your 12 stakes! Yay! Emotes in chat! Oh my god. This is so cool. I can't believe we have a hype train! See that? Yeah, I see that. I see something. One day I'll be a sub. No, 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 no. Don't worry, don't worry. We're good here. No one's peer pressuring. Only because... No, I didn't misread it because it has your name on it. I just am bad at reading. Hang on, I'm going through my files right now. I think 100%! Hype train level up! Nearly. Coming in with the gift sub for Sarabi. Hey, one day is this day. That day was today. Yes! Enjoy your new emotes. I made every single one of them. Thank you so much, Merely. She has files on us all. Stop talking about that. You're embarrassing me. Oh my god. Don't tell them. Okay, I'm getting something for Phantom. I have a review that has a bunch of practice activities. I'm looking to see for something else though. I have the midterm still because it's mine. I have audio files, video files. Okay, here's an idea. I have something for you, Phantom. Um, Phantom, can you message me your email address? The thing is, it can't be your school email address because the school blocks people who are not at blah 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 .org from our school. So if you have a different email address, like at Gmail or at MSN or something, I'll be able to send you stuff there. Okay? But I won't be able to send you anything to a school email. Because I mean, I can send you links and stuff in Discord, but I feel like if I send it to you in Discord, you're gonna lose it. I feel like email might be better. Just say, like, hello, my name is, with your real name or your French name from class in the email address so that I remember that it was you who was asking for it and I'm not just like, who's this random person? Um, send send me the. Oh right, yeah, you're right. Um, in Discord, type in the Discord private message what email I can send you things at. I'll send you some files. I can't send you the exam because that wouldn't be right. You know, it wouldn't be fair that you get to see the exam before everyone else. So, I'll send you a list of things that are on the test. Um, I might even, I think when I was your teacher, I think I gave you some of these things already. So when you see the files, you'll be like, oh, it's that. And you can like look at that in person. But yeah, definitely give me an email that's not a school address and I'll send you like a couple of files. I'll write you some stuff. And that way, if you want to like ask me questions back and forth, like I can respond to you there, even if I'm not on stream. You know what I mean? Um, I gave out my business card to a couple people who asked. Um, and I'm gonna use the email from my business card to talk to you. So like, if there's anyone else in class freaking out about the midterm and you want to say like, hey, Mademoiselle's email, like I have Mademoiselle's email, you can give it to them. It's not like private or anything. She's gonna do it. What am I gonna do? Wait, what are we talking about? All of our worst clipped moments on stream? Wait, oh my god, chat's been going and I've just been blathering on. Wait, files on us all. Get ready for a new series of streams called the Fail Files? No, you literally do that already. You're the one going to people's worst ever clips and then embarrassing them on stream. Phantom got it. I have class at 5 and it goes until like 10 p.m. So sometime this week I will email you. What day do you have your test? Fail Files is a great name for a channel. People are gonna misread it and be like, fail flies? Like, ew, are they bugs? You don't know the date? Okay, wait. It's probably on the website. Right? Oh no, the high school one and the middle school one might be different. Choo choo! Whoa! Oh my god. What is going on here? Why is it updating? You received a level 2 hype train emote? She might tell us. She'll better tell you. Oh! Oh my god, what? Hype Nom? It's so cute. He's eating like a cookie that looks like a pizza. Oh my god, that's what the hype train does. That's so cool. Dude, we got to level 2 hype train. That's the coolest shit ever. Excuse my French. Okay, wait. District information. District calendar. Today is January blah blah. Midterm. Oh, it's not on the calendar. Alright, you're right. You probably need to ask the teacher when it is. You could email Madame tonight and be like, can you tell me what day it is? Merely, aw, thanks for the love. I appreciate it. That was really cool. Next time I'm gonna have all my alerts properly screaming on stream. Shall we just play them through again? Watch this. I bet it'll be different in here. Yeah, ask her tomorrow in class. Cause you know what? She's new. She might not even know like what it looks like and what to do. She probably needs to talk to the other high school teacher and be like, "Hey, can you help me out?" Maybe that's why you're not getting a lot of information yet, because she doesn't know. Because I'll be honest, most of the people who like organize the teachers, like the principals and stuff, they're not really that helpful. At least the high school ones, and she needs the high school one to help her to like what to and tell her what to do. They're not that good. So she's probably on her own, trying to figure it all out on her own. Let's see. Can I make these alerts sound? That's what we were missing. I'm gonna replay them all. Let's go.
Merely adequate underscore gifted a tier 1 sub to Saravi.
I'm still
They
celebrating
have given
this
2
train.
gift subs in the channel.
Yee boy. Oh yeah. Oh, going shopping. All right. Enjoy your shopping spree. Hope you get something good. Even if it's groceries, I hope you get something tasty. Shopping's fun. Or at least I hope you find something cool you can get later. I always like keep an eye out like, alright, this store has some cool stuff I want. See you, Phantom. Good luck with everything. I'll email you as soon as I can. I had the coolest kids.
Striker gifted a tier 1 sub to Ryan Warner.
I really do miss teaching them. Like, a lot of my students were like dedicated and interested and goofy. I'm glad some of them decided to come and say, hey. Pew, pew, pew. Look at you guys! I just realized you have a hype train conductor
Striker
badge. Do you see that?
Year.
Look at that. Who else has the badge? Merely gets the badge. Merely is the conductor. Yo, that's so cool. Ooh, ah. Yeah, I was like, wait a minute. I just saw like this little brown turd and it's a train. It kind of looks like a pumpkin, like a jack-o'-lantern. All aboard! Alright, let's do big screen. I'm running out of time. Clapping, talking. Ah! Turd train. Sorry. It looks like a turd, okay? It was like a little brown thing I didn't recognize. I don't know. Yo, Merely, what are you doing? Thank you for the biddies. I'm a turd. Yeah, you do say that, don't you? So funny. Alright, what are we doing? What are we doing? I am doing something. What is it? Oh, this. Merely, I'm coding. I think you missed that part. I've literally just been blathering and doing nothing the whole time. But I've actually been coding today. I should show you. You're a turd. She's a turd. Everybody's a turd. What is that movie called? Great Adventure? Keenan and Kel's Great Adventure? Bob's Burger? Grub Burger? Good burger. Thank you. Yeah, playing Stardew. Yes, cracking the code. I really screwed up earlier, and Zarknor was here to help me limp along, fix it. Oh, Ratlin's lurking. Yes, this is wizardry. I don't count myself a wizard yet, but I'm dabbling in magic, that's for sure. Thanks for the lurk. Ah, what do I do now? I don't even remember where I left off. I think I was connecting this stuff. Hmm. Bye-bye, y'all. Damn, dropping a train on us and then leaving. That's incredible. That's really funny. Okay, I fixed it. It was like giving information that I didn't use before. Okay. Woo! Okay, so this city search we don't want. This city search we do want. Nav bar just for you. Turn off the form. There. That worked. Ooh! I know! It was literally quite the impact. Psh, I feel like I got smashed by a train. But in a good sense. I don't know. I don't get it. Merely just coming in here like a... Everyone came in here like a whirlwind. We had Brandon. We had Ryan. We had Merely. Sorry, new name. Saravi came in back at the same time. And Setsu came out of the dark. Train smash. No, I'm not saying you guys came and left. I'm just saying everyone appeared at once, and it was a lot. Like the whole train of you. It was like a whole conga line of just hi. Thanks for lurking around, you creep. I love that auto response in chat. It's so good. Lurking, working. Hey, you guys are doing important stuff. Merely's playing. He merely is farming right now. That is like maximum important. Okay. Holy shit. This is an incredible first stream of 2023. Everyone's here. We're chilling, chatting. People are lurking. I'm streaming. This is cool. Playing Osris? That is an acronym I don't know. OSRS? Game? Old school RuneScape. Oh, you one of those. Okay. I think this was a game I could never do because I had strict parents. But I have no idea why. It looks cool though. Do you think old school RuneScape is like... Sorry, I know you're trying to play, but I'm wondering if you think old school RuneScape is something that only people who played it back then would enjoy. Because, like, for example, Setsu really wanted me to play the old school Maple Story, and I tried it, but it gives me headaches, and I'm just like, I get headaches because, like, the visual stimulus. Which is weird, because I play Overwatch, no problem. But I'd be like, Setsu, I'd love to play, but it hurts my head, you know, And he's like, but I miss it. I love it. I want to play it. I need a friend to play with me. I don't get those feelings of nostalgia, though. Drink my water backwards. Okay. That makes sense. Some of the grind games I like, and some of them are eh. It depends on how they build it. I tend to get very addicted to grind games, but not on purpose. I don't want to be. And then I have to quit because it's destroying my productivity. I wonder if I'll ever get into it, but I hope you're having fun. Thanks for telling me about it. I'll stop calling you out so you can actually play. Thank you, Sarabi. Alright, what did I need to do next? I need to format this. I think I want it to be horizontal. Vegan Kung Pao Chimkins. And veggie melange? I do. I like the French. Oh, you made it! Good for you. Cutting maple trees and not doing too much intense stuff. Okay. Mm, fine by me. Just, there's no pressure here. I will literally talk to someone into oblivion and they'll be like, "I'm trying to leave." So you just tell me to shut the fuck up and we're good. But like maybe not with those words. Like be nice, please. Um but yeah, all good. No pressure to respond or anything. How do you like me now? And you grew it. Okay. I'm impressed and jealous and excited. Say nice words to me. I just did. There you go. Did you take a picture? I guess you probably didn't. But if you did, can I see? What did you grow? Wait, I don't want to put this in the navbar. Wait, where is it? Weather forecast form is gonna not be in the header. Oops. It's full screen. How do I make it now it's full screen? Ah! What did I do? Alt enter doesn't make it not full screen? Bro. Do I really have to close this? You grew Brussels sprouts? That's kind of neat. How? What did I do? I hit the keyboard and it was weird. Ay ay ay. Please don't open it in full screen. Oh, thank God. Let's see. How do you do full screen? Appearance. Full screen. I hit F11? There's no way. You know what? I'm not gonna worry about it. What kind of mushrooms? Button mushrooms? Okay, there we go. Fingers 11. Wait, Ocean's 11. That's what I went to. The movie? What's Fingers 11? What? I only have 8 fingers and 2 thumbs. Oh, it's a band. All right. Sure. So button mushrooms. Got it. Oh, this music needs to stop. I'm playing. Oh, wait. No, I didn't want to do that. Did I want to do that? Oh, yeah. DMC free beats. Christmas. Lonely hours. Eh. Whatever. See what we get. Button mushrooms for the button pusher. Okay, so we have this, and it's ugly. Can I do a div? No. Div. Divider. Bloop. Okay, so I just put the whole form, in a box, including this thingy. And then I want to do class deflex and see what happens. That happens. Cool. And then also row. Uh. See, I don't know my Bootstrap stuff very well. Let me just close this stuff for now while I pretend I can figure out how to format it. I'll make it bigger so we can see it. And I'll make this smaller to there. And then make this smaller. Anyone know how to do Bootstrap? Okay. Display goes to Flexbox. And then column. I actually don't even know what I want. Flex column? Flex column does that. Justify content. End? Cool. Actually, I want to see where is it. It's not in the header. It's in the main part in the first section. First section is huge. Second section is also huge. And then the footer. And then I just told it to go to the end of this section, which is the right side. And then, you know what? Maybe I'll say center. Put it in the center. And then I think I want to use some if statement. Like function display. And like if the search for location section if the search for locations section or no if something, then make the search for location add class to be display none. So this I don't know what to put in the question marks yet, but it'll be like something like if these values are filled in, like if once the search is done, well, there's no enter button. Anyway, once the search is done, then hide it. Maybe. What do I want it to look like? I don't know. Maybe I won't hide it. Come back to that. Okay, so this section is gonna have a margin around it. MB3. Mobile 3? What am I doing? Oh, something I should ask you guys, all you developers, is how do you make icons show up on the screen? Oh, that's right, Star Fox. We forgot to ask Setsu. Shop sometimes is really broken. I wanted so some of the data that comes back from the fetch is an icon code, and they give you like a URL. OpenWeather gives a URL to show how to grab their icons. Um, so for example, let me make this bigger. They will show an icon and a code. I wonder if my battery's low. My mouse keeps turning off. And then they say how to get the icon URL. This is an example of a specific one. So it looks like you would do HTTP blah 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 blah, and then where it says 10D needs to be like something that can change, and then at 2 times, I guess, is a size, and then it gives you the PNG. So 10D is the part where I have to set a variable, and I know how to do this part, but I don't actually know how to get the icon to display. Um, okay, I wonder if I've done some of those things. I'm thinking I've done some of those things incorrectly. So for example, here I have today icon. And because I'm getting the icon from a link, I have link rel is weather icon, type is image slash PNG, and then I set the href to an empty string, and JavaScript then gives it or sets the href attribute to this string plus whatever icon value plus the end of the string, and it never shows. You said have image tag. Oh, image tag, not icon tag. Change source. Source equals this. Oh, wait, can I do source equals this? Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. All right, let me mess with it. Because there's also an I tag that I saw. One of my previous projects had some starter code, and they put the icon in one of those. It was like just a save button with a save floppy disk. Icon element is today icon. Today icon. Oh? Man, I'm so new at this. Every time you say something, I only understand part of it. So, yes, it was font awesome. Okay, I was trying to copy how font awesome did it because my starter code had font awesome stuff in it. Okay. All right, so image tag it is then, because I'm not using font awesome. I'm using OpenWeather AI or API. Okay, so then what? Take the link out. Try that. Alright, I think I've done enough things to my code where it won't work now because of this. Let's see. Yeah, no. This isn't set up yet, so I can't test it. Yes I can. Let me just put in a solid value. 10D. There it is. Tested. Thank you. It's a lot of the stuff that like I know isn't that hard, but no one told me how to do it or showed it to me. And reading documentation doesn't give that information. It just says use the code. Duh. It assumes you know how to do basic like developing. Thank you, Zarknor. Again, very much appreciated. All right, so I'm gonna take this out. Cool. Okay, so when I get the data to come out of the form, then I'll be able to put the icon in there with everybody else. That'll be really cool. I'll have to see like where it fits and if it formats correctly or if it looks terrible. Huh. So font awesome uses CSS italic tag. I feel like that was a weird choice of them. Like I guess they went to I for icon, but it's called an italics tag. So I feel like they should not have done that. But I guess they don't design HTML, right? Whoever regulates HTML isn't going, oh, let's make an icon tag. So Font Awesome's just doing their very best to come up with something that works. I'm not too fond of that method, but I guess it works. Alright, I think it would be good to store the values of these things in an object somehow. So like put the form in an object. Let's see. Constant form is objects. Country, zip. Var toggle. Let's see. This is gonna be a mess. Take var out. Take all this shit out. Commas. And then colons. Trying to think. I'm making ideas without fully thinking them through, and that's caused me problems. Part of it's because I've been doing this for many hours in a row and getting somewhat distracted, so I'm not making full thoughts. Part of it's because I might need a break soon. Let's see. What have I done? Make it small. I'm looking up here. I made a form object constant. And I'm going to set all the values to empty string except for toggle. I don't know what to do with that yet. But those are all the values that come out of the form. Old comment, don't need. It says store in this variable as a query, blah, blah, blah. Okay. All right, just copying it down here so I can see it. We have the form with all the empty stuff in it, and we want to put the values in it. So be form, no. Would it be form.cityName? Form.state? Form.country? Is there a zip on my screen? Zip, yes. Oh, there's no country. Form.zip. This one. And then this is gonna be this, but with the word country. And then I need to add a country here. Copy, paste, country, country, abbreviation. And it looks like, not that, it looks like that. Country code? No. Country abbreviation. Forward's better. Okay. And then city search element is this button, right? Oh, no, wait, no, there's no search button. I need to add a search button? Where's Bootstrap? Why do they not have a search button? Submit button? Add search button. Add search button does this. Locate. Looks weird. Okay, and then what? City search element. Where is that? City dot search or dot city search. City search class equals city search. It was on the form. As a class and a name. old form. Where's the new form? Here. Still good? Still good? We're still good. Whew. Water break. I still don't understand the bitrate. Like, it's still going above 2500 kilobits per second. My bitrate is set at 2500. But it hasn't dropped yet, so go figure. Alright. Alright, so in theory, we'll get all the values out. Let's see what happens. Toggle's not defined at 35. Right. Toggle is going to be true or false. It's going to be something. Or no, checked or unchecked or unchecked. Maybe. Something like that. Gotta make sure I'm not getting any messages. Nope, I think I'm good. Okay. Check is not defined. Yes, it is. I don't know what toggle is. Whatever. It's an empty array right now. Haha. So put in the sources before it calls the thingy. Phoenix, Arizona, skip, US. Yes, stuff is happening. Okay, submit, and then it breaks. City name is not defined. City name, form.city name. Form. Interesting. So form has all of the values. I forget how to access objects. Genius. If I make it an array, can I do it? No. It needs to be an object. Right? Because if I do form.city name, it's there. But my code does stupid shit. It says form.city name is this value. I'll just reverse it. This value is this. think this is just going to set them to be empty. Setting the value to empty. Yeah, this is not right. This will not work. Phoenix, Arizona, US. Yeah, no. Left hand is wrong. Yeah, no. Okay. Shit. How do I access form.city name? How do I access objects, properties? If I okay, wait. What if this is too complicated? What if it's actually an array and does this add any value at all? Maybe not. I'm thinking not. If I name them, if I put them in an array, I have to name them as variables ahead of time. If I put them in an object, I don't know how to access them correctly. I guess I might as well just leave them as not an object. Alright, derp. That was weird. So this is fine. It's fine. That sets the value. Phoenix, Arizona, US, search. Works. Whoa, it doesn't. 291 degrees Fahrenheit. What? What? I'm sorry, what? Is this on the sun? What the fudge? I want a country code. Where does it say? Holy shit. Why is it 300 degrees? Is it in Kelvin again? Oh, it is in Kelvin again. Oh. Wait, no, it's not. It knows to put F. I don't want to live there. You see how coding works? You just do something and then you're like, dear God, why? I think I have an idea what happens. Maybe. Possibly. Something's not right. Between the units of measure and the numbers that are being produced. I think this number is Kelvin. like, let's see, Kelvin, which is absolute temperature, to Fahrenheit. Yeah, okay, it's 64 degrees. All right, so something happened. I think the URL happened. I know what happened. All right, make it small. All right, so the longitude and latitude. Hi, Der. It's 291 degrees Fahrenheit in Arizona right now. I'm about to fix it though. Don't worry. I'm gonna save everyone. How you doing, Peanut? All right, where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's in my commented out one. This one. Look at this. I'll zoom in again. I know, it's bad. I'm so bad. Alright. This long link was the original one I was using, and I realized it's not the one I'm supposed to use. But I forgot to add back in on my new one this part. This is important. Adding in units equal to whatever measurement system is selected. So if we go find measurement system function, I'll show you what it does. Here, this function called measurement system checks to see which side the switch is on. Is it on imperial or is it on metric? So if the switch is checked on imperial, use imperial in the spot of the URL. Otherwise, use metric. So I need to add that. Holy shit. Okay, so that goes here and here, depending on which one gets used. It does not go on this one because latitude and longitude are not providing us any weather measurements. They're just providing location. Oh my god. Let's see if it works. Alright, let's see if the people of Phoenix will be okay. Phoenix, Arizona, and United States. No! It didn't work. Shit, it's still 291 degrees. Wait, did I refresh? I did not refresh the page. Wait. I might still save them. Phoenix, Arizona, United States. No! They're goners. That's it. My skills are not enough. You know what? I need to save my work though. Hang on. Hi. Git add dot git commit removes basic city search from navbar. I know. They're gonna have a really bad time. Issue and build in progress. Form and collecting input values. Removed basic city search from navbar. Added more advanced form with multiple inputs. What else did we do? Adjusted URL to include metric imperial selection based on toggle. Temperature stuck in Kelvin. That's bad. Save. Password. Done. Oh, pizza! Oh, yeah. Wait, Satsu, you here? Star Fox had a question for you earlier. Are you still here? Can I ask it to you for him? I feel like people actually do that every summer. Thank you, Setsu. Star Fox said he has a shop app, and in looking at the shop app, it's telling him that there's a package on the way to him, and he says he's fairly certain that's not the case, but he wants to know for sure. Did you send him something that he's not gotten yet? No. Okay. I will message him then. Star Fox. Setsu confirms no incoming package. Shop not correct. Cool. Yeah, right? In the cars and stuff. So you don't leave your kids or animals in there. A full pizza on the sidewalk. I think I saw someone do like a roof series. They had like a metal baking pan that you put in your oven, and they just like walked outside and went on the low roof, and they left it up there to cook. They had like eggs and brownies and stuff. Not everything cooked correctly, but it was still funny to see. There, and I think they were maybe in Arizona. All right, so it is doing some weird stuff here. Let's find out what exactly it's doing. So if I go to the actual weather here, Phoenix, Arizona, bro. Why are they different? Celsius, Celsius, Celsius. Oh, there's 4 different geocoordinates available. Okay, sure. I think they might. Yeah, it's probably their fault. Yikes. Death Valley. Isn't it because of the weather that it's called that, too? Oops. Alright, change to Imperial, please. Boop. And then Phoenix, Arizona. No results. Come on. And there's the different latitudes and longitudes. Oof. Hottest in the US by far. People have been complaining with climate change the last few years. It's been getting like unreal, I think. Like, I know in Nevada, they paint the streets with white paint so that they reflect light back away from the area. It's like too hot down on the roads. I don't think Arizona does that. They might, but it's like boiling hot. Um, I'm just gonna pick one so it shows here. Gentle breeze. Oops. I need to compare mine with this one. Well, I don't need to, but it would be easier to just do this. So it says 291, but the humidity 45, 44, that's probably right. 10 miles an hour wind, 1 mile an hour wind. I'm wondering if maybe that's not right. Let's see if the other ones have 1 mile an hour wind. Nope. How about the third one down? Wind less than 5? Okay, maybe. Okay, maybe. I don't know if wind's correct or not. Ah! Temperature is definitely wrong. Air pressure is definitely right, but I might need to do a conversion on it. I still don't understand it. And humidity 85%, 44%, 98%. It's raining there, straight up. 50%, 45%. All right, So this is probably, I think because I put the limit at 1, it just returns the first one, which is good to know. So I'll compare my data with the first one. Time to look at the code. All right, so units equals measurement system. Let's double check and see what measurement system does. Pretty sure it does this. Measurement system returns imperial or metric. And then that means all the numbers should be coming out imperial or metric. Oh, I think I know what's happening. Maybe. So I have this big function, really big function. And what this one does is it posts the weather onto the screen. Like the... Yeah. The air pressure is really big. It's 1 gig. Nice. Yeah, we looked it up. It was like the highest on record is like the number that we're getting. There's something wrong with it. But I think there's something wrong with the weather temperature, maybe. Because this function is an old one I made before I fixed how I get my data. Let's see if there's anything in here that would say that my theory is correct. So far it looks like I'm wrong. That's Kelvin. That's Kelvin. That's Kelvin. That's Kelvin. Alright, no, I'm wrong. They're all in Kelvin. Shit. Why? Let's do what Zargnor said. He said go to network and then check the page and see what you got. I'm gonna look at my request URL and see if it actually put in that value of imperial or not. Font, font, font. So much font. Oh. Let's see. Units is imperial. And it's spelled right. I mean, I could put... I guess I can put the imperial thing on the other function too. I'm kind of guessing on that. And units equals measurement system. It's on this one. It's on this one. And I'll put it on this one, even though I don't think I need that there. That might even break it more. Let's find out! Haha! Phoenix, Arizona, United States. Boop. Bro, that fixed it. Alright, whatever. Okay, so it gets the... What did I just do? Coordinates, weather. Latitude and longitude gets the weather. Alright. Well, that was quick. Yay. Oh no, but the icon's not there. But the space is for it. Ruh-roh. Alright, wait a minute. Zarknor told me what to do. I will use his advice. In here, let's see. Is it here? Did it put in the right value? Image. Not that one. The other one. This image. When I hover over it, it takes no space at all. But when I look at it, it looks like it has space. At least a little bit of space. It doesn't have an href value. you? This one. Source. Right, it needs a source. And source. Empty. We're doing stuff though. I feel accomplished. I probably have to go really soon. I need to take a break and get my eyes off of looking at the screen because I have class in an hour. And class is 4 hours long. Hang on, let me save. Git add dot git commit. Message is solved. Fixed temp returning as Kelvin by adding imperial metric to latitude, longitude, URL. Git push. Password. Done. Okay. I have to save off screen because it has like too much of my personal data on that thing where I have to type in all that stuff. Maybe another time I can show you guys how to do that. I'm just kind of rushing it. Alright. What can I do? What can I do? Is there any small thing I can do before ending stream? I might need to just end it. Anyway, something of value. You can see for sure that even though I'm not using this entire function and it's kind of long and in the way, it was valuable to cut it out in comment form instead of deleting it so it's gone forever because I used this. I was like, oh, I forgot to add that. I know I did that before. Let me just get it. Now I think I've used everything in here. Soldier! Yeah, you know what? It might be time to just goof around and play some games. Why are you wasting your points, though? Setsu, how are you doing? Are you still working? It seems like almost end of the day. You have 16,000 points. Hey, hang on to them. I saw some streamer had some goofy thing where it was like, end stream right now as one of their things. And it was like 30,000 or some ridiculous number. 3 million. I don't know. You're tired. Oh no. Why are you tired? You know what? Fuck it. Just take a nap right now. You would be like the third person to take a nap while I'm streaming and come back and say hello. Brain tired? Oh yeah. I feel that. You know what? I'm gonna delete this. Boop. It's gone. Now how many lines of code do I have? 188. Woo! This works. Collects city and collects info. Collects city info to put in a query. Zip. Where's the zip? Optional. Oh, let's see if it works on Celsius. Phoenix, Arizona, United States. Boop. Yeah. It does. Oh yeah, the icon's the thing that's not working. Icon. Hello. Where does it put in the icon? Here. Close that, close that. Icon. Run it. Icon is 04D. then the next line's supposed to add it. It finds it on the page. Today icon. Is it called today icon still? Yes. By ID. Yes. Okay, so. Oh no, that's what's wrong. I'm not using the child of it anymore. Ah. Icon. Take off the children. Set the attribute straight onto it. Then it will work. Cause Darknor showed me how to make it work. Phoenix, Arizona, United States, boop. Icon is that code. And then. I'm trying really hard to have that not happen. Setsu has told me that happens a lot when trying to do like coding and stuff. I've had that. You know, I think sometimes my brain protects protects me from stuff like that when I'm over focused because I have like a really active mind and a really active imagination. I end up getting like really lost in thought and like grabbing things from different unrelated places and trying to make connections. I basically have a focusing problem. But I think because I have a focusing problem, I don't have that happen very often. It probably has happened, but it's not like a chronic issue. Uh I will say though, when writing code and doing all this stuff, totally different story because I'm making up names on the spot. Like there was one project I did where I had to make like a day planner, like a scheduler, and I had so many different created variables that I made with the word like hour or time. I didn't even know like what was what anymore. Like if we look at it now, I'll be like, wait, I have to study this because I don't remember what all these words are. That's when I get confused. Why are you playing RuneScape and like looking at the menu for too long or something? Like, or is this messing with you? Oh, the icon's there. Yes. Yo, that's so good. Okay. What's something I could do? Oh, this needs icons too. You're on Free Code Camp looking at the words indoor and outdoor and they look weird. I mean, there's a lot of vowels in them. What do you think about Free Code Camp? Because I think this is a new resource for you, right? I started the JavaScript one because my course is JavaScript oriented, and I think I like the pace that it takes. You weren't expecting to start with HTML. Oh. Interesting. Did you not get to choose what you wanted? Huh. If you're having trouble, you can do type in free code camp and then the language you want. It's suggested from the okay, yeah. That's actually a good point. Honestly, I would agree with that. I started with the JavaScript one simply because I did HTML in class. You'll probably know more about HTML than me by the end of it. It seems like pretty informational. Free code camp and like detailed. Hey, you already know your stuff? There you go. I kind of learned it a little bit with I want to say MySpace maybe back in the day. I didn't do too much with it though. But I remember doing like the blogs on MySpace. And you could like do a lot of formatting. I think the only thing I actually knew at the time was like do a line break, like the /BR. You did a lot? Okay. I was really jealous of folks that did so much, but I don't think I had the attention span for it at the time. I just was seething and jealous instead. But yeah, fly through it. See if you can, make it a game and how far you can get. Um, maybe take notes along the way. Like if you have a not Go, if you have a Google Drive or something, like any new information, take notes in there because searching for the information can sometimes be a pain. Like if it's not something you're extremely familiar with and you might want to like go back and check it later, going through free code camp again just to find the information is the worst. Um that's my only recommendation to using it is like take some notes, so cuz if you want to learn, you might need to reference that information later. Like if you want to actually use it. Mildly malicious code? Oh no. On MySpace? I must know more. Okay. On MySpace. The CSS is really cool. Oh, hey, I have to end stream really soon. I'm thinking like 15 minutes. But if you're interested in the design part, it'd be worth learning a framework. Mildly delicious code. Ayo. Dude, I can't believe everyone has sub badges right now. This is actually nuts. The hype train was nuts. I kind of want to. I don't know why I didn't think of it, but I should go back and clip when the hype train happened because that was really cool. Um. Hmm. What was I saying? Take notes. No, after that. CSS frameworks. Yeah. Thank you. Uh, Bootstrap is one of them. Here's something my instructor told me. So Bootstrap, getbootstrap.com, is where you can start, and it's basically CSS for cheaters, I guess. You can use a CSS file with your code and still use Bootstrap. So for example, like this Bootstrap stuff, if I go to colors, like the colors fucking suck, dude. All the colors are blue, gray, green, reddish, pinkish, yellow, um, light green blue, off white gray, dark gray, and actual white. These are literally the maximum colors that come with like the basics of Bootstrap. So if you're using all these really cool things like, oh, I have a form and the button is this color and then if you have a color scheme in mind and it is not this ugly ass, really harsh on your eyes blue, you can get CSS up in here and like override the colors and stuff and like some of the other formatting to just tweak it a little bit more. But I will say using Bootstrap is a pretty neat starting point if you don't feel strong in CSS. I'd say there's pluses and the pros and cons to both. Like if you lean really hard into Bootstrap, you're not going to give yourself a reason to learn CSS. Bootstrap can be kind of like enclosing and like limiting. Once you get familiar with Bootstrap and you start browsing the web and just going to random websites, you'll be able to recognize it. You'll be like, oh, they built this website with Bootstrap. It's obvious. Because everything looks like a certain way. Like everything behaves a certain way. And like they keep reusing the colors and shit. So yeah. It's okay, but it could be a good place to start. In my class, they taught us CSS first, so we would know like all the tough stuff about like how to organize things on a page, layout, and things like that. If you are wanting to play with CSS and not Bootstrap, I would recommend saving this. It's a gamified, simple kids game called Flexbox Froggy. And this will show you how to place things on a website. So, for example, the frog is at the top left of the page. And let's say you want the frog to be on the top right of the page. You might need some of these properties to write into your CSS. And then you'd be able to say where the frog goes. Like so. It's goofy, but Flexbox Froggy, if you're not familiar with CSS, can really help you with layout. Flexbox is just something that CSS uses to organize things. And the best part about Flexbox is when you turn your page into like mobile view, for example, it organizes things in a way that still works. So like for example, on the tablet, everything's left side and right side, which was the same as the desktop view, but on a mobile phone, everything's organized top and bottom. You probably notice like if you go to like Twitter or Facebook or whatever, those things change orientation a lot. Like if you compare Team Topside, is that you, Zarknor? You do all this stuff? Your front end? What did I do last? I haven't saved it. Oh, I got the icon to fix. I fixed the icon. I gotta save it. Git add dot. I'm done coding. I need to break. Git commit. Message is solved. Fixed icon appearing on current day weather. Git push. Password. Password is wrong. Okay. Might as well learn everything. Oh, sorry, Zarkno. I didn't mean to offend. I mean, yeah, I'd say might as well learn everything because when you play around with it, you might actually have a ton of fun and be like, oh, this is cool. And like, maybe you can accomplish more than you think you can, you know? And then you have the skills for it. And then you'd be like, oh, I like this. Or on the other side, you learn it and you're like, now I definitely know for sure it's not for me because I really don't like this. Might as well learn it, you know? Then you have the skill and you're good. Zarkner begrudgingly does front ends. That's Setsu. You guys are twins. Exactly. Freelancing probably sucks. Working for other people who don't know what they want sucks. But you could make money doing it. And if you're in need of money, there you go. Problem solved right there. Could I have done this? No, that's too far. I had a stream like a while ago where I had the mic off screen. I wonder. I don't remember what I did. Nope. I don't know. They know what they want, but they don't know how things work. Maybe. I guess it depends if they're a good listener or not. Because if they're a good listener, you can explain to them how things work. But if they don't want to hear that shit, well, then you're screwed. Ooh, neat. Yeah, that's fair. That's totally fair. All right. This still has a long way to go, but I'd say it's a good stopping point. I have to make it look nice, and I have to make a lot of things look nice. And functionality wise, I think it's working. I need to do a thing where it saves my previous searches so people can easily go back to them. And I need to what? What else? I need to set it to update every 10 minutes, call again if they leave the screen open. So two things to pass, and then formatting to keep my sanity. That's not bad. All right. What do we do now? I think I might send it. What are you guys gonna do? Games time? Probably offline games time. You guys want to see some games? I got Overwatch streamers that I know are on. They don't know me, but I watch them. What is this? Light bulb. Ew. Yeah, it's games time. No one's online in the Derp Squad. I was gonna raid somebody, but... Do you ever finish your Raid Shadow Legends battle stuff? No, it's never over. I have to put in a promo code. There's a promo code thing going on. Apparently, like, Twitch is giving out promo codes with Prime Gaming or something. Let's see. Yeah, they just gave one. Ha ha ha. I got stuff. But yeah, there's a raid. No, there's a clan battle for the next 11 hours. We have time to fight for our lives. Oof. My throat's tired though. I think I'm tired. I gotta like make some tea and drink it. That's what I'm gonna do. I hope you guys have fun plans. I hope you're almost off the clock. It's like 8 minutes to 5 p.m. Eastern time. Most of you better be off work any minute. I'm hoping for it. I don't know what I'm saying, okay? Look, I'm doing it. I'm setting up a raid. You're gonna watch an Overwatch streamer now. That's what you get. Ooh, we had a hype train. We had a ton of people come over. We had Zarknor carrying every step of the way. I miss your face too. Thank you so much for your time and attention and your love. That was awesome. Thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for coming over. It's been really, really fun. So, hopefully we'll do this again next week. Maybe on a Tuesday or a Wednesday. I gotta figure out my internet issue. But we made it work. Hope everyone has a good day. Bye.
Wait, where's that Anna? I hear an Anna.
What's up?
He's got Shatter. I'm holding Suzu.